In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video directly to Behance. We'll go through the entire process step by step to ensure you can showcase your work effectively on this creative platform. So, let's dive right in. First of all, you'll need to create or edit a project on Behance. If you haven't already, log into your Behance account. Once you're in, look over to the area labeled Share Your Work and click on it. You'll see an option to start a new project or edit an existing one. Pick the one that suits your needs, either start fresh or update something you've been working on. Now it's time to add your video file. While you're in the project canvas, locate the Files button. This is your gateway to uploading content. Alternatively, you'll find a Upload Files option in the right-hand toolbar. Either way will get you where you need to go, so choose whatever feels most intuitive. Select the video file you want to showcase and upload it onto your Behance project. Before you get too far, it's crucial to ensure that your video complies with Behance's format and size requirements. You wouldn't want to go through the trouble of uploading only to hit a snag later. Behance accepts a range of formats, common ones like MP4, MOV, AVI, and even FLV. The dimensions are also something you need to keep an eye on. The video needs to be within 1280 pixels in width, and it shouldn't exceed a 1 GB file size. Double-checking these details before uploading can save you time and effort down the line. Next, let's touch on thumbnail selection, a small yet vital part of your project. By default, Behance automatically generates a thumbnail image by capturing a frame from the middle of your video. This automatic choice usually works well for most cases. However, if you've opted to embed a video instead, this will be slightly different. In that scenario, the thumbnail is determined by the hosting platform's settings. Either way, make sure that it visually represents your video content effectively, since it's the first thing viewers will see. Finally, it's time to finalize and publish your project. This part is all about adding the finishing touches. Input an engaging title that captures attention. Follow up with a description that gives context to your project and informs viewers. Don't forget to add tags that relate to the content of your video. These are key for reach and discoverability. Additionally, select a creative field that best matches your project's theme and content. Once you're satisfied with these details, you can either save your project or publish it directly onto Behance for the world to see. There you have it. You've successfully uploaded your video to Behance, showcasing your creative work to potential clients, collaborators, and fellow creators. I hope this guide was helpful, and you're one step closer to getting your work out there. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.